If you see a flashing amber light on a pelican crossing, it means give way to the pedestrians on the road. So this van on the right side of the road as we see it should not be giving way to this pedestrian on the left. If they started to cross, yes, you should wait, but as it is, the van should move. Look at the indecision that it's caused. The young pedestrian doesn't know whether to cross or not. And even though it's the van that's caused this indecision, he still waves his hand at my viewer.